Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a public list on Google Maps and share it with others. This is incredibly useful if you're planning a trip with friends, creating a local guide for visitors, or simply organizing your favorite spots to share with family. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where you can access all the mapping and location features you need. Once you're on Google Maps, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find several menu options. Click on Saved. This section is where Google keeps all your favorite places, starred locations, and custom lists. It's essentially your personal collection of places you care about. After clicking Saved, you'll see your existing lists if you have any. Now click on New List. This creates a fresh blank list where you can start adding locations that fit whatever theme or purpose you have in mind. You'll notice the list is labeled as Untitled List by default. Click on that text and input a name for your list. Choose something descriptive like best coffee shops in Boston or summer road trip spots so people know exactly what they're looking at when you share it. Now, right beside your list name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to open a menu with various options. From that menu, click on Sharing Options. This is where you control who can see and access your list. In the sharing options, click Shared. This is the key step that makes your list public and accessible to others. Without doing this, your list would remain private and only visible to you. Next, click Share. This opens up the sharing interface where you can decide exactly how you want to distribute your list to other people. You'll be presented with 2 main options here. You can choose either Send Link to View or Invite to Edit. The first option allows people to see your list but not make changes, while the second lets them add or remove places themselves. For this example, let's click Send Link to View. This is perfect if you want to share recommendations without worrying about others accidentally changing your carefully curated list. Now you're ready to share your list with the world. You have several convenient options here. You can click Copy Link and then paste it anywhere you'd like, whether that's in a text message, email, or social media post. Alternatively, you can click WhatsApp, X, or Twitter or Gmail to share your list directly through those platforms. Google makes it easy to reach people however they prefer to communicate. And that's it. Your Google Maps list is now public and shareable with anyone you choose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.